The power of my English school. Within these walls of chalk and light, where every word takes fearless flight, a world unfolds in ink and sound, where voices rise and truths are found. From timid starts with hammered phrase to fluent thoughts in steady blaze, each lesson builds a bolder soul, each sentence shapes a deeper goal. It's more than grammar, more than rules, beyond the pages, pens and tools. It's where we learn to dream aloud, to stand up tall, to speak unbowed. With every book and every test, we chase the better, not just best. Our minds are lit with stories told of distant lands and hearts grown bold. The power here is not just taught, it's lived, it's earned, it's bravely sought. My English school, my gilding flame, you teach me more than just a name. You teach me how to write my fate, to cross the world, to navigate. The power of your voice in me unlocks my own and sets me free. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.